Hey guys, I'm just back from doing a toy hunt, and I wanted to unbox this guy because this guy is special to me. I have watched the show that he is homaging, and first off, I did get the cassettes, so I wanted to try that out with Soundwave. Let's see, put Laserbeak in there. Does he fit? Oh, that's pretty snug. I guess that works. Yeah, I guess that's cool. So that's Soundwave with him. With Laserbeak. But Laserbeak this one's so good. This might be the best Laserbeak they ever make. And Ravage. Put Ravage in there somehow. Do I slide him in? I don't even know. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm doing something wrong with Ravage. Let me look at him. I mean, I don't think he's all the way tapped in. Oh well, I don't know. I don't know. But I mean, that's good enough, right? Oh, okay. There, that's good. And take Laserbeak. Let's see, transform him. Don't want this video to be too long. I have a movie to watch, but I don't know that is titled as an unboxing, so don't want to be too long with this. I don't even know how he's supposed to fit on here. Wait, hold on. Does he really hook into that? That's not bad. He actually hooks into his arm. But yeah, that's cool. Alright. He should have came with Soundwave should have came with something. Like Buzzsaw or something. Putting that to a side, and let's just get to I'm drinking a Monster. Let's get to the unboxing. Okay, I did kind of already open him. Don't want to damage the box too much, because I'm gonna keep the box. But I just don't want to spill a Monster. Let me head out. This is a big box, so I'm just gonna let him stay like this for a little bit until I cut everything. I feel like I'm playing Operation every time I unbox something, but I'm not. Did his gun as well. Oh. Okay. So got his gun. And he just I'm missing stuff. Jeez. Come on. It's been so long since I did an unboxing. Yes, I did just upload the Bone Crusher one, but that one's oh jeez. That one was an old video. It just took me a while to upload it. Are you serious? What? Oh my god. Oh. Okay, that is it. That's it. No more. No more plastic. Good. Oh, jeez. So disgusting. Look at these. I hate those. But I'll have to clean that up later. Look at this guy. Looks crazy good. Okay. He feels pretty nice. What did I want to do? Oh, there was something. Oh, his heels. I think you gotta pull these heels out. And these heels actually have a landing gear type thing on it, so I don't know what that really is about. But I guess I can. This guy just looks pretty cool. Very cool. How do I? Oh, okay. Trying to see. Hope y'all can see it pretty good. If not, I apologize. I'm trying to see how this kind of works. Trying to get this. His hand is pretty difficult. Okay. Yeah, his legs are not the best. Well, looseness wise. Okay. At least the wings are tight. His gun. Put his gun right here. Or something like that. And there's Cybertron Optimus. Now for some size comparisons, here's the Voyager Siege Optimus. I mean, the Ultra Magnus mold isn't really a tall one anyway. I seen this. This is I did not make this idea on my own. I seen it on Instagram, so it's not my idea. But I got him next to this cog and 6-gun configuration. Just showing that. I don't know who gave me the idea for that, but I have it, I think, screenshotted, so I may, most probably, if y'all want, I can show y'all. And next to my favorite studio series, almost, that Darker Than Megatron that I got on my anniversary, is my second favorite. And there you go. So guys, if you like this video, then please hit the like button. It really helps a lot. And if you want to see more, then subscribe. And as always guys, thank you for watching.